Retargeting, also called remarketing, is one of those strategies you've already experienced, even if you didn't know what it was called. And today, in this digital marketing for business owners course, we are diving into retargeting, aka the friendly internet stalker that keeps reminding people, hey, you forgot something in your cart. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll know how to follow your customers across the internet without looking like a total creep. You know, when you're casually looking at a blender online, and for the next 3 weeks, every website, every YouTube video, even your dreams are sponsored by the exact blender. Yeah, that is retargeting. And no, your laptop isn't haunted. That's me. Or marketers like me saying, still thinking about it? Here's the thing, most customers aren't ready to buy on their first visit. In fact, studies show around 97% of first time visitors leave without buying anything. That's like 97% of first dates not leading to a second, unless you show up again and again and again. Let's say you're shopping for a new car. First, you browse different models. Then you check multiple dealerships. Then you compare prices. Then you go back 5 or 6 times. By the time you're ready to buy, you're basically memorized the website's layout better than their own web developer. Retargeting helps you stay in front of those people during decision-making process. You can keep it simple with brand awareness ads, or get fancy by showing exactly what they looked at. Look at the red sports car. Boom. They see that car in their feed. Look at the buy one get one pizza. Boom. Their Facebook is suddenly craving pepperoni. So, how does it work? When someone visits your site, a little thing called a cookie gets dropped in their browser. And no, not the chocolate chip kind. Sorry to disappoint. This cookie is like a tiny tracker that says the person was here. Then, when they visit the other sites in Google Display, Network, or scroll through Facebook, the platform recognizes them, and your ad magically appears. It's basically the internet equivalent of bumping into the same person at the grocery store, the coffee shop, and the gym, all in one day. Retargeting is a long term play. Think of it like a digital billboard. People often need to see your message multiple times before taking action. And here's the kicker, Google says combining retargeting with other ads can boost sales by up to 50%. That's huge. Imagine boosting your pizza sales by 50%. Though I personally recommend boosting your gym visits right after. Pro tip, retargeting ads are visual. So, no ugly graphics. Please, don't scare your customers away with a pixelated product photo from 209. Work with a skilled designer, make it eye-catching, make it pop. Because remember, these ads follow people everywhere. And if your ads look bad, so does your brand. You can even get fancy with segmentation. Show one ad to people who haven't purchased yet, and once they buy, switch it up. Show them complimentary products or future services. Bought a camera, now show them lenses. Bought a sofa, show them throw pillows. Bought a dog collar, well, maybe don't show them a cat. And that wraps up this retargeting lesson. Now you know how to remind your customers you exist without having to physically chase them down the street. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe more marketing gold, and tweet at Steady Digital Limited with your questions. And hey, if you see my ads following you after this video, just know it's working. Thanks for watching.